If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Wise, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel these payments effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account linked to the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, locate the Payments or Transactions section in your account dashboard. This area will provide you with a list of all your recent transactions, including any recurring payments. Step 3. Identify recurring payments. Scroll through your transactions to find the recurring payments you wish to cancel. Look for any payments labeled as recurring or subscription to easily identify them. Step 4. Cancel the recurring payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After canceling, check your email or notifications within the Wise app for a confirmation message. This will verify that the recurring charge has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Wise account. Always remember to review your payment settings regularly to avoid any surprises.